Catcher means one who catches snakes. Here is a man from Iraq, that is he caught some snakes and he sold them in the market, that is showed and giving performances with the snakes and collecting more and more money. In this way he leads his life simple manner. But once he thought that he wanted to lead luxurious life. That's why that is it is habituated. But people who wanted that is they expected from a new things. So, but he always showed his the same snake and he played some of his tricks. But people vexed. They don't like it because once he went to mountains and he searched and he got that is he found one thing which is dragon. Okay, children, see that page 18 continuation page that is he was dreaming that his mighty dragon would change his fate. So here the dragon which was found in coldest regions so that it was not moved. It was inactive, it was dull because of cold. So he thought that it was dead. It was dead. So see children, this is the picture. Here is a dragon like this, and that is it is yellow and golden color. Like the snake catcher took a long cloth and wrapped it and that is take some strings. Rope like and tied with it. He was dreaming that this mighty dragon would change his fate. తను ఈ డ్రాగన్ తీసుకొచ్చి బయట మార్కెట్లో కనుక షో చేస్తే ఎందుకంటే అంతకుముందు తను సేమ్ అదే స్నేక్ని పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చూపిస్తుంటే పీపుల్ డిడ్ నాట్ కమ్ అండ్ సీ సో దట్ ఈస్ he got that is a very little money, a few coins. So he wanted more and more money from the public. మరి పబ్లిక్ డబ్బులు ఎక్కువగా దగ్గర నుంచి కలెక్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఎక్కువ మంది రావాలంటే he wanted to show something which is very strange, which is peculiar. ఒక వింతైనటువంటి దాన్ని తీసుకురావాలని తన మౌంటైన్స్కి వెళ్ళడం కోల్డెస్ట్ రీజన్స్ మౌంటైన్స్లో. సో దట్ ఈస్ he was searching for the particular thing that is was a dragon, but he does not know that it was how it was. Then he brought it. Okay children, so he might get a lot of money so that he could lead a luxurious life. So ఇది కనుక ఈ డ్రాగన్ తీసుకెళ్ళి పబ్లిక్ కనుక షో చేస్తే చూపిస్తే వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ కరెక్ట్ మనీ ఇస్తారు. సో దాంతో లగ్జూరియస్ లైఫ్ లీడ్ చేయొచ్చని ఇన్ దిస్ వే హీ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు థింకింగ్. Next page children 19. He reached a bazaar in the town. Town which is almost town. Look, he shouted out to the town people. Hey, that is, he called, groaned. గట్టిగా కేక వేశాడు. ఆ కేకకి all public attention was stopped and coming towards him. People, look what I have brought. Please come and see. So I think what I have brought. రండి నేను తీసుకొచ్చిన ఒకసారి చూడండి. With great difficulty and untiring search, I searched many days. I did not take any rest. That is, with great difficulty from the mountains, come and see this terrible and fierce looking dragon. Here is cast, there is a dragon like this. Here is a fierce dragon. It was very difficult. There is which I have killed. So which I have killed. I have already killed this dragon. Please show it. The town people who came from far and near. That is in distant places are there. They come and near. Look eagerly at it. Because people, it's a strange thing in news. Crowd ఎక్కడైనా ఒక చోట మనకి మార్కెట్లో చూస్తే గ్యాదర్ అయితే all people go and see that intentionally. But It was nothing. There was nothing. But all the people go and sit. That is here. They rallied. Rallied means come together around the dragon. Dragon చుట్టూ అందరూ అలా వచ్చేస్తారు గ్రూప్ లో. Around the dragon, and the crowd grew so thick. Here the people, that is far corner distance, that is reach the place. That all the people, crowd, that is grow so thick that the people jostled. Jostle means push, rub against. That is ఒకరినొకరు తోసుకోవడం. Here pushed, rubbing, that is against one another. All craning. Craning means lean. That is they want to expand their necks, stretch their necks to see at least little bit. ఎక్కడన్నా ఒక చోట కార్నర్లో కనిపిస్తుందా అనేది వాళ్ళు they expand their necks like this. అట్లా. So all craning their necks to catch a glimpse. Here glimpse means children, note down, look of that fierce and terrible dragon. That is fierce, that is they want to see that. So everyone wants to see that is the dragon. All the people crowd, thick crowd, that is pushing and pulling just like the jostled. That is తోసుకోవడం, push చేయడం, రఫ్గా చేయడం. They were really astonished. Children note on the meaning. Astonished means here shocked. Astonished means here shocked. They had never seen such a strange creature. Here creature refers to dragon. People, that is never, they are shocked, never. ఇంతవరకు ఎప్పుడు అటువంటి strange creature, such a strange creature they have never seen. It was bigger than any snake. But here dragon, it was not a snake. It was a kind of creature, strange creature, which is bigger than all snakes had ever seen before. People, that is, they discuss that we have never seen such kind of this kind of animal because they saw snakes. In the town, the sun grew hotter, and by the warmth of its rays, that is coldness. So the animal kept silent. It was frozen stage. But now, that is here, the catcher, the snake catcher brought the dragon from coldest mountains to here hottest place, which is a city. Rays, sun is hotter, hottest. The dragon began to emerge. Emerge means come out slowly from its frozen state. Gradually the ice melt అయిపోయింది. Frozen state means gradually it is moving. It had not been there. It was not there. But it was inactive because of coldness region. They had not been dead at all, but merely frozen without outward movement. Slowly the dragon, the bundle started moving. It was tired. It was shake, that is moving. Soon it burst out. Burst forth means come suddenly. Burst forth is phrasal verb. It means come suddenly from the cloth. క్లాత్ లో కవర్ చేస్తే దాన్ని చుట్టేస్తారు కదా ఒకసారి లోపల నుంచి ఒక్కసారిగా బయటకు వచ్చేసింది. And string that had been tied around it. That is already strings are there. They are using a rope. It was completely shattered and it comes out because it was a big dragon. It was a big dragon. See children, this is here how the snake catchers generally he caught some snakes and he exhibited and he gives performances in the public market, public places, and he wanted to collect money to lead simple life. But when that is he had an idea, he wanted that is to lead a luxurious life, so that he wanted to show something strange to public. So that's why he went to the mountains, somewhere place corners, and he searched. By luckily he found that is a dragon, which is not moved. It was kept quiet. He thought that it was dead. Okay, children, by next class I will conclude this lesson, you have to read once this lesson. So from page number 18 to till page number 19. See you next class, children. Thank you.